In this video, I'm going to show you how you can screenshot or export a frame of your video in Premiere Pro. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So for example, let's say I want to save this frame right here as an image. All you need to do is go to this icon. If you don't see it, just click the plus icon right here and make sure to add it by clicking here and then OK. So now we will see the option to export the frame. So go to the frame you want to export or screenshot, click right here, put the name you want, for example, exported frame, and make sure to save it on a correct format. So you can choose a GIF, PNG, and much more. Now you will see the path where you will save this file, but you can also click browse to change this folder and save it wherever you want. So by default, it will probably be saved on Documents, then Adobe Premiere Pro, and select your version. So now click OK and we should have the frame ready. So if we go to the folder right here, we can find the export frame right here. That's how you can save a frame of your video in Premiere Pro. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.